guys, this is LRC8. This is our Aniline Mousse cleaner. Perfect for obviously cleaning anilines where they are a lot older and you don't want to use the Aniline Leather Cleaner spray that we have, and you want to use a mousse where your aniline is a little bit more delicate. This is also the perfect partner for cleaning things like your semi-aniline leather jackets. So obviously with a semi-aniline it means that it's aniline dyed through and then a very fine pigmented clear coat lacquer put over the surface just to seal it, to even out the aesthetics of the colour and the way that it's looked from when it's been aniline dyed originally. So obviously to clean with the Aniline Mousse cleaner, simply give the bottle a good shake to begin with. This is a moussing head, so it will create a mousse foam for you, like so. We're going to use the LRC red pad. Simply pump up and that will get out almost like your sort of after shaving cream type substance, so that you can then work that into the area in a circular motion to clean your item. Rather than sort of spraying a fluid straight onto it, the mousse sometimes works a hell of a lot better and lasts longer on the surface than what a liquid would, which will just soak in, whereas this will work on the surface. So just simply clean in a circular motion like so over the surface. And as you clean that, you would then obviously wipe things away with a cloth like so. Just wipe away like that. And obviously what you're getting as well is you're not actually making the leather as wet as what you would do with a spray. So I mean, obviously with delicate leathers like this, you just have to sort of bear that in mind. You know, it's a lot better because that hardly feels damp where we put that cleaner on there, and just give it a good clean and good scrubbing like so with the red pad to get that right into the leather to lift any dirt and things away. The sponge itself, to be fair, will be pulling off dirt, which I can see on there anyway. So I mean, you can use the cloth if you wanted to wipe things away as well. But that is the Aniline Mousse cleaner. You can see the dirt coming off. It's not a great deal, but there is dirt coming off there, as you can clearly see. So that is your Aniline Mousse cleaner, LRC8, the perfect partner for cleaning fragile anilines and semi-aniline items like leather jackets, or semi-aniline handbags and shoes and stuff like that, or gloves. LRC8, perfect partner for your aniline or semi-aniline products.